Right, folks, this is for James Harrison. Now, James, you're a bit of a mystery man on Facebook. We couldn't find out where you're from or what you're about. We've just got a photo of your pint in your hand. But your question is you're like, hold on, as I told you earlier, Paul Campbell from Abo, who works with BT or Busby. There's some food for Busby, by the way, right? But never mind. Anyway, James Harrison and James Campbell, Paul Campbell. Your question is, how do you know to use? I asked him at 4x2 for a gate, and I'm telling you know to use that. That's about a 4x2, right? Which I think is too heavy for the gate. So what I'm going to do my budget gate again, just to show you the differential, and just as good a job, if not a better job, in using standard 3.5 rail. Now that's it there. You buy it in length like that there. That's a length of 3.5 rail there, right? Okay, that's your full length of rail there. So you would actually need two lengths of that, Peggy, and you spare, right? Get a bit of wood, make sure it's equidistant, right? Get it down there. I'm quite lucky with this table, it's square. Put your first bit of rail there, put it in. These are your spacers, and I'll just explain what the spacers are now. To make it easy peasy weasy. Put your second bit of rail in, easy peasy weasy, and that there. Now there we go, and then we'll do this here, right? Right, and then what you do, that there. Now before we go any further, get the measuring stick out, right? So that there is 3 3/4, which is perfect. So then you work out here, and that's your bit of rail for your bracer. So don't worry, that bit of wood will just be used to now. Now, what I do is, these are 1.8 by 6 inch by 3/4, or 1.8 150 by 19, right? I get these, right, and I do this here, right, I put that there and put that there. Now, I leave 9 inch, then I work out my distance between the two and divide it by 2, right, and which happens to be 24.5. So when I make the 4 spacers up at 24.5, then I put that there like that, right? And you make sure that there, right? And you make sure that there like that. Turn it there, because I put the nails, will pull it down, don't worry about it. Right? So there you go, that's you get that there. Right, you get that there, and then you pull all that down. Then you get the magic nail gun. Now if the compressor comes on, I'm going to continue. No stopping me today. I put a full new pun in case I ran out halfway, because there are only 4 nails left in it, right? So there you go, right? So there you go. Have that there, right? I'll tell you something new. I'm quite surprised nobody how many nails I put in, because you do every nails, nosy people. I'm trying to help you, and you're that nosy posy wozy. Right, so that's that done, right? Easy peasy weasy. Put the nail gun up here, lift your other board. Look at that, look there. The secret commentator is even going to feed them. Look at this. There we are, look at that. Who's got a workshop like that? Look at that. Is that no good? We look after them. Full health and safety conditions, environmental friendly. Don't be Horatio. Aye, Horatio. Say hello. She's not getting them, by the way. Right. And we didn't work that out, by the way, if you think that. Right, so that's, we'll go 9 inches. Usually about 9 inches for a 6, right? There you go, 9 1/4 long, 9 1/4, or 24, and you'll zoom in. I know you'll zoom in. I know, because I'm going to get it right. I'm going to get it spot on. 23, right? Because you zoom in, won't you? You zoom in, then you send me photos on my Facebook, right? I like it to be spot on. Is that him eating? Well done, Horatio. Right, so we've got that there. 23, just 2 after 24. 2 after 24. There you go. Right, so that's that. Yes, Frederick. I'm just waiting the adoption papers come through for them. Anyway, Horatio, over there, Horatio, it's over there. Right, and then all you do is this. Right, turn that there with a bit of back there, because it doesn't matter. This is a budget gate. Listen to use people there when I say budget. Definitely can't use that, that's a bad board. See that crack there? Right, definitely can't use that. Right, there you go. And that's your boards there, right. So that's them, all like that there, all but equidistant. Go at the bottom. Go there, just spread them out your eye. See that coming on? Right. There's the ratio. That's for later on. Okay. Right now, terminal gate open, they'll follow. Get your 6 foot metal wood. Ease that rubber's up to stay. There's something else to show you, by the way. Something else against that comes off, I'll show you. There's what I'm looking for. And I meant to go this ready for you, but yet again, he's a caught me out. He's a caught me out. There it's there. Pit bolt. Just with the pit bolt. Put it in the bolt. Put that there. That there. This here. Cock-a-doodle. Right. Get your eye, see this here, the eye of this, look. That's perfect, right? That's the 2 bits for that, right? And there's the ratio there. How you doing, pal? You alright? I'm alright, you alright? There's your pressure going. Right? Get them running, shows that they're running perfect, right? Take them there, shows that a wee bit of confidence here, right? So that's them on there like that, right? Okay, you can see that running well. Put your pencil back in the pocket, right? There, a penny finnet. The noisy days you get a wee scrap bit of wood, which you've already paid for, by the way, so it's not like that. Set like that. Get your pencil at the ready. Put that there. Right. Mark that. Yeah, that's good. Hi, Rachel, what are you doing? And that's it, perfect there. Put that through there like that. 2-inch nail, so that just holds that temporarily. Then you turn that round, right? Turn that round. And that's all you do is that there. Nothing else, as easy as that. Right, now. Then you get your bracer there. Right, now, I'm not going to arch that, because the video's not about arching the gate. The video is the differential between using 4x2 and 1.5 inch, right? Right, look at that gate. If you come round here and look, you see that's a solid enough gate. Whereas, if you use that, big heavy gate, too heavy, too heavy, too heavy. That's my personal opinion. I know you'll differ, but there you go. That's the way to do it. Now, when we're on, you remember the other day there, I did my wee test with the clamp with the glue. This, you're just using my glue. I'm not telling you kind of, just use the glue. I've used, no these gates, mother gates. Look at that. That was that glued. Just glued and I clamped it the other day there. Done that 3 days ago, done that yesterday. Right? That's red pine onto red pine. You see that there? There's even a nail in there. I don't know where it's came from or something. Right, so that tells you. You see that glue? And stuff, you don't get high on it. So there you go, folks. And you've seen Horatio, you've seen us feeding Horatio. Frederick's hiding there, he's making me a noise today. We do look after them. Because they're the mighty WSHs. What can I say? They're watch hens. That's what they are. They're watch hens. So see you all later. And that video is for, I'll tell you again, for Paul Campbell and me Bo, Tling Ling Ling Ling, and the mystery man, James Harrison. I wish I knew where he came from, James. It would help. I could give you a wee mention where you could come for Timbuktu for a weekend. See you all later, folks.